Hey friends, Billy from LM Cases here, and today we are going to look at a 56 capacity cubby trunk that we just built for the University of Cincinnati. So this particular trunk is designed to hold the clothes, shoes, and pants of 56 players. There are equal cubby compartments in each side of the case that allows you to stack up some folded clothes in each one of these compartments and have the person's name either written on this piece right here, which can accommodate either a dry erase marker or a P-touch label. So the way that this particular case is built, the exterior case is built out of 3/8 inch plywood laminated with black ABS plastic. The interior of the case, this white material, is marine grade plastic. So one of the things that we really try to do here at LM is anytime we have an interior like this, I try to separate it the best that we can from the exterior of the case. So the way that these compartments are all lined up is this is an interlocking compartment. So these are CNC cut with such a tight tolerance that they all snap together and interlock. So one of the reasons why we like to do that is if you notice on all of these compartments right here, there aren't any visible fasteners. If you don't do the interlocking construction like that, oftentimes you can see it a right-angled bracket. And when you're dealing with clothes and things like that, that can get caught up. So what we like to do is do this as a shell. So the other thing that that does is it really cleans up the exterior of the case. So if you notice, there aren't any additional fastener points in the exterior of the case because all of those fastener points are actually on the inside of this shell. They're visible on the exterior of this. So there are screws that go into the panels like this, but for the most part, it's mostly friction fit together. The other thing that gets you is it isolates this particular compartment from the exterior of the case. So if you notice right here, there's a 1/2 inch piece of foam. Now we do this with work boxes and drawers and anything like that because as you pull the case, you're pulling this handle. The exterior wall of the case is independent from this. So there is a degree of flexibility between the exterior case wall and where the weight is actually being, this is weight bearing, this is not. So, you know, when we do things like drawer glides and things like that, it doesn't transfer stress to the interior of the case. Because as you can probably imagine, these things get rather heavy, especially when they're all loaded up, even with something like clothes. The other thing that gets you is now, should you change your mind about the configuration of this particular case, you don't have to get a new case. All you have to do is get a new interior. This will just slide right out. So if you notice on the side here, this particular screw is just an attachment point to attach this to the inside of the case so it doesn't come out. So as long as you're happy with the exterior dimensions of the case, you can pop that out. So if you're working at a school and say, you know, you're an equipment manager and then you move and then you inherit somebody else's cases, this is a great opportunity for you not to have to deal with the entire expense of rebuilding all new trunks and just get a new interior. So we try to do that whenever possible. So looking at the other side of this, you'll notice that there is a clear 3/8 Lexan cover. So basically what that does is it keeps all of the contents in on this side. And then so from the back side, it keeps all those contents in. And then when the case is actually closed, this particular piece prevents the other items from falling out. So we build this with 3/8 inch Lexan. It's very, very heavy duty. We have heavy duty small recess latches that are in there, and it is very durable. So as far as the hardware set goes, we have recessed vents that are on the exterior of the case just to allow some air movement. Clean clothes smell good. Dirty clothes don't smell so good. So, you know, we try to make sure that there's at least some air circulation. But you can see just the attention to detail. The inner structure, this white inner structure, does have the vent routed into it in the back. So looking at the back of this particular case, this is what this looks like. So there are 6 vents per side. The other thing that we like to do is we like the 3 orientation of handles. So the center handle is a pull handle. So when you're pulling the case, it pulls straight. The bottom handles are designed purely for lifting. So if you might be wondering about the spacing on those two handles, that is based around the average North American male height and width, so that you can have your hands placed at an ergonomic distance apart. So the two cases that you're looking at in the background, this is the same model of case, so you can see what they look like when they're closed up as compared to what they look like when they're open. So the last hardware thing that we should talk about, these ride on 4-inch Colson EcoForma casters. What we do at LM is there is always a full-size 3/4 inch caster board that goes as an interface piece for the wheels, so that just gives you the best amount of durability and weight support. So if you have any questions about this case or anything else, you can send me an email, billy@lmcases.com. If you'd like just a written version of all of the things that we talked about today with some still pictures, check this case out on our website. It is lmcases.com. There is a link in the description below if you want to check that out. And if you'd like to see the daily goings-on of LM, check us out on Instagram. We are LM_cases. Thanks so much for stopping by. Catch you guys on the next one. Bye.